Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix notification sound issue on any iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time, first of all fix this issue. First solution, you have disable focus mode. Focus is a feature on the iPhone to help you reduce distractions. You can manage the setting of focus in settings or control center. Do not disturb mode is part of the feature on iPhone and it can silence call notification and alerts. Navigate to open the settings, so you have click on focus. Then you have click on do not disturb mode. It is turned off. Do not forget to check the other option. For example, check in any schedule to need your turned on. So then you have turned off from here. Then second solution, you have reset all settings. Resetting all settings on your iPhone can fix various software glitches. If the method above do not work, try this to reset setting and configurations which may have problems. Tap on general, so then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, click here and iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then third solution, software update. After iOS system on your iPhone has been updated, your software may need to be updated to improve the user's experience. And the notification sound issues might be solved in this way. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you must be installed and download on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have an app notification. If there is no sound notification on iPhone, the in-app notification setting is easily ignored by users. For instance, you can check the setting of notification on WhatsApp. So then you have click on notification. So you have scroll up. Then you have seen the WhatsApp app is open and then allow notification from here. So then by the way, the apps do not include a custom sound, can only use the default sound of Apple. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.